Hey, what's up? I'm Chris, and today we're going to be learning how to draw a bird in flight. So let's see what we got. First, we're going to start off with the wings. I'm going to draw a line up. Come down, then go to the back. And here's the back part of the bird, the wing part. We're going to come back down. And here's the other way. There we go. And then we'll come around. And here's the head. Little point is the beak. Then we'll fill it in, which is always fun. Outline's cool, but the coloring is one of the important parts, one of the most fun parts. And as you can see, from what I see, this is a bird in flight. I'm Chris, and this is how you draw a bird in flight. And there's an eye.